Good morning, Maya. Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom. I slept very well.
That is good. You need your rest. Tom, please get the orange juice.
You are very welcome, my sister.
Drink it all, Maya. It helps you.
I will drink it right now, Mom.
Tom, remember to clean Maya's room later.
Why do I have to clean it?
So your sister can have quiet space.
I have to do my homework first. I always help with her room.
I know. Thank you for helping us.
Good morning, everyone. How is my team?
Good morning, Dad. I am drinking juice.
That is a great start today.
Dad, can we play a game later?
Maybe later, Tom. I am very busy.
Okay. I will just read my book.
Do not forget Maya's room today, Tom.
I will not forget about it, Mom. Mom, look at my new drawing.
Just a minute, Tom. I am busy.
Maya, do you feel under the weather?
I just feel very tired today, Mom.
You need to rest more right now.
Mom, it is a picture of a dog.
That is nice, Tom.
Please be quiet. But I worked very hard on it. I see that. But Maya needs quiet. You always check on Maya first.
She needs extra care right now.
I want to show you my work. We can look at it later, Tom. You said that same thing yesterday, too.
I am trying my very best, Tom.
It feels like you do not care.
Of course I care. Just wait, please.
I promise we will look at it. I will leave it on the table. Thank you for being so patient, Tom.
Can I go to the park to play? No, Tom. You must stay home today. But my friends are waiting for me.
I have chores. Dad is working now.
I will only be gone 1 hour.
I need you to watch Maya today.
Why do I always have to watch her?
Because we really need your help today.
This is not fair to me at all.
Life is not always completely fair, Tom.
I never get to do what I want.
That is simply not true, my son.
Yes, it is. I always stay home.
Please lower your voice right now, Tom.
I just want to play basketball outside.
Your sister really needs you here today.
I am not her parent. You are.
Tom, that is enough talk for now.
You are not listening to my feelings. I am listening. The answer is no. This concerns me a lot right now, Mom.
We will talk about this later tonight.
You always say we will talk later.
Please just go to your room, Tom. Why is Maya always much more important?
What do you mean by that, Tom? You only care about what she needs.
Tom, that is a very unfair thing.
You completely forget about me every day.
I never forget about you at all.
Yes, you do. Every single day, Mom.
I am just trying to help her.
You love her much more than me.
Tom, how can you say that to me?
Because it is the absolute truth, Mom. I want to be alone right now. Tom, please let us talk about this.
No. Leave me alone for a while.
Tom? Are you okay in here today? I am fine, Maya. What is it? I brought this for you. To share. Thank you. That is very nice, Maya. I do not want you to be sad.
I am not sad. Just very frustrated.
I love you, my wonderful big brother.
I love you too, my sweet sister.
Maya? What is wrong with you today?
The room is moving a lot now.
You need to sit down right now.
I do not feel well at all. This is not good. Stay right here. Mom is not answering her phone now.
I really want to feel much better.
I know. Dad is not answering either. I am very tired right now, Tom.
Do not worry. I will get help.
Hello? I need some help right away. My sister is feeling very tired today.
Tell them I need to rest now.
She had to sit down suddenly here. Our address is 10 Main Street now.
Are they coming to help us soon?
Yes, she is awake. Just resting quietly.
Okay.
We will wait for you here. Help is coming very soon for you.
Thank you for staying with me, Tom.
I will always stay with you forever.
You are a very brave big brother.
Just rest your eyes for a minute.
I will rest my eyes right now.
Everything is going to be perfectly fine.
Maya is resting nicely in her bed.
You did a great job today, Tom.
I was very worried about her today.
I am sorry I did not answer.
Why did she need to sit down?
We need to tell you a secret.
A secret? What kind of secret, Mom?
It is about your sister's health, Tom.
Maya was born with a weak heart.
A weak heart? What does that mean?
It means she needs extra care daily. She gets very tired very quickly, Tom.
You did not tell me before.
We wanted to protect you from worry, but I am her big brother now.
We know that now, our brave son.
We made a wrong choice back then.
I understand everything much better right now. So that is why you always watch her?
Yes. We have to be very careful. I am so sorry, my sweet boy.
It is okay, Mom. I understand now.
I love you both exactly the same.
I know you do, my dear Mom.
I should have explained it to you.
I am sorry for my harsh words. You were just sharing your true feelings.
I made a wrong choice too, Mom.
We will do much better from now on.
I promise to help Maya every day.
You are a wonderful son to us.
Thank you, Dad. I feel better now.
When someone needs extra care,
We help. Because we are a strong family team.
exactly. But everyone needs attention too, Tom.
You are just as important here, Tom.
Hello, family. I am back with you.
Maya, you are looking much better now.
I had a long rest. It helped.
We are so glad to see you.
Our family team is finally back together.
I got a sticker for being brave.
You are the bravest girl I know.
And you are the absolute best brother.
We all learned something very important today.
What is that important lesson today, Dad?
When you do not feel well, rest is best.
And honesty makes our family much stronger.
We share our feelings and our love. I love our family very much today.
We love you too, our sweet girl.
Let us go have some dinner together.
That sounds like a really great idea. I am very hungry for dinner now.
Dinner is coming right up for everyone.